Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you're doing really, really good. Today is 31st January, which means it is the last day of 2024. Tomorrow it will be 1st January 2025. I am really excited for 2025. I hope this year will be like super amazing, and I hope you guys are also really excited, and I hope you already must have set like plans and targets for the next year. Today we really wanted to visit somewhere that where we can look at the fireworks or something when it will be 12 o'clock, and then it's just like everyone will be there and it will be so fun. So here we are. Then we just found out that Global Village, that's our destination for today. And as you can see, we packed our things, got all dressed up, and here we are right now in the starting point of Global Village. And as you can see, there are like so many people here. It was so crowded. Like, obviously, we can expect it was 31st of December, and everybody was there to just enjoy themselves in the last day of 2024. But think that was a big mistake, because I haven't really yet seen the amount of people that there will be when the clock reaches 12 o'clock. It was so crowded at that particular point. I don't even think we had enough space to stand there. But I won't ruin the suspense for you guys, because we all have it in the video. Just keep watching and you'll find it out soon enough. Right now, we were just in one of the starting points, and as you can see, this place was filled with amusements. Like Global Village, every point or every place you look at, it's filled with colors and so many wonders and heritage from all around the world. It was so pretty. I was already so happy just as the moment we entered, and everything here is so amusing. And here we were just walking ourselves through the center point. We were not really sure where the fireworks will happen, but then after asking a few people, they were like, it will be in the center. So we were walking through ourselves in the center to just find it out where we can settle down later on. But keeping that aside, here we are in front of Turkey, and which was our first place that we entered into. It was so amazing. I think it was just the perfect place we could have started our whole journey with, because just look at it. Just look at how beautiful, and it was so energetic. Like all the shopkeepers, everyone there, they were so energetic and friendly, and it was just so fun around here. We also visited a few shops, because come on, be real, we couldn't stop. It's just so pretty, the things inside. Everything is so beautiful and it's so colorful. It's just attractive. You could see all different sorts of jewelries and brooches and everything, wall hangings, everything was there. But the main thing that I think was really, really fun around there is that the shopkeepers, they were so friendly and they were just fun. After that, we walked through ourselves into Pakistan, and as being our neighbor country, we already have a lot of friendship done, but here everything was super beautiful, just no words. I guess you guys can see it for yourselves. Everywhere you looked, you would find one or two Kashmiri shawls, so beautiful. The patterns on them are just mesmerizing. Everywhere you look, this was a very calm and quiet place. It was a lot different from Turkey, but everywhere is just unique on its own. And I saw so many shops, but we had to move on, so we couldn't really visit all of them, but it was so fun. After that, we were just walking to our next destination until we just found this very gigantomax Christmas tree. Like, it looks really pretty, so we had to take some pictures done. And after that, my little baby brother woke up, so we had to include him in the pictures too. It was just a nice time because he woke up in the perfect time, so we could take pictures together. And after taking a bunch of pictures, my Ammo was just strolling with him, so he doesn't become too moody because he just woke up from his sleep. He was just looking around and he was really happy. I think he really likes visiting places like this. He feels so happy and energetic and he keeps smiling. So I think he really likes it. And after all that little bit of here and there, here we are in front of UAE. We also visited UAE. It was super amazing. All the heritage was clearly visible. It was super clean and just that royal feeling was there, and it was really nice. We kept going. There were so many places and then there were so many people taking photos everywhere, and it was really fun, like really exciting to look at them. Makes us take more photos, but we had to save our battery for the last moment, obviously. And here we are, almost in the center of the whole area. Here, after a few while, we will be able to see the stage and like the place where the fireworks were supposed to happen. Here there were beautiful flowers, so we just got some more photos taken, and my younger brother was really happy. He was so enjoying himself. As we continued, we saw so many people like already settled down. So you know how we go for picnic, at that time they put the mat and take out all the food and everything, games and everything, just like that. They were settling and waiting for 12 a.m. It was so exciting because I felt excited looking at them. They were waiting so patiently and eagerly. But we continued, and as I said, here was the stage. We just reached the center area, and from here you can see everything all around, like all the places around us. The play area was there, the entire carnival. Here was the stage and performance was going on. So we didn't stop here for that long because we wanted to keep going. Here there was Thailand and South Korea and Japan, and all that places were right here in this spot. And this was Thailand. No, sorry, my mistake. This was the Road of Asia. So basically all the Asian places were connected in here. So Japan, Thailand, and South Korea, everything was there. But what I really liked is how this place was all decorated and the selected shops were there. It just felt so nice walking over here. Here there was Afghanistan, and then we decided to visit Japan. And okay, as I expected, it was just like that. It was filled with anime and costumes and food. Now, wasn't that super impressive? Suddenly that came up. We were just going in front of passing by Thailand, and these people, like a whole band or something, came up, and we just had to shoot them because it was so amazing. And then we moved on. Here we reached the carnival and all the rides for kids, for us, for adults. Everything was here. The carnival games, the arcade, everything was there. And the dangerous rides too. As you can see, those long, the Ferris wheel, and these dangerous kinds of ride. Everything was just there. Everything was just so fun. And then we stumbled upon this merry-go-round. And then I wanted to put my little brother at it, but then I figured he might be too small for that. And then, can you guess where are we right now? Yep, that's right. We are indeed in India, and it was so fun. Everything was just perfectly pictured. After this, we just moved our way to the center because it was getting time. And while going, we saw this lake with all the boats and peoples in it. It was really fun. But then we kept moving, and we finally reached the area where the first fireworks show started. The first one was at 8 o'clock in Uae time, which means it was a Happy New Year for China. They had that drone show where they wrote that Happy New Year China, and behind they had the whole fireworks going on, and after that they had this performance. After that, at around 9 o'clock, it was Happy New Year for Thailand, and then they did the fireworks also. And then we stayed there for the remaining 7 shows, and it was overall so incredibly amazing. I think the last day could not have been any better. It was overall so perfect, and now this is the moment I was talking about, exiting the place. Look at this. There were so many people everywhere, and it was just so crowded, and I don't think we're really adapted to this. But anyway, I hope you all had fun watching this video, and we also enjoyed ourselves a lot. Don't forget to comment down below how did you spend your 31st December, and also Happy New Year to everyone.